The strength in your eyes, the color them wonderful. Stop me and steal my breath.
Daddy Niel, I love you. 15 incredible years together have flown by, and yet it still doesn't feel like enough time with you. You've been by my side for almost half of my life, and you've shown me my true worth.
Then, nagkakilala kami mismo sa computer shop. Doon na po yung love story namin. And then, meron akong naging kaibigan, mas bata sa akin, na naglalaro kami ng Dota. Then, one time, kasama ko yung mga barkada ko na nagbabay kami, napadaan kami sa street nila. Then, nakita ako si Faye.
And I'll be your
Ang sabi ng aking Panginoon, ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao. And that will be your commitment. Hindi lamang ngayon, hindi lamang bukas o sa susunod na mga araw. Bagkus ito ay panghabang buhay. And that is marriage. Marriage is a lifetime commitment.
Daddy, thank you so much sa hindi mo pagbitaw sa akin tuwing lagi akong sumusuko. Minamahal mo pa rin ako kahit minsan hindi ako kamahal-mahal. Ikaw ang nagturo sa akin kung ano ang tunay na kahulugan ng pagmamahal na hindi kumukupas. Pagmamahal na anong mangyari, ang isa't isa pa rin ang dapat nating piliin. At pagmamahal na hindi mapapantayan ng kahit sino man.
with the trappings of love, I'll be captivated. I'll hang from your lips instead of the gallows of heartache that ain't from above. And I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be the suicide. And I'll be better when I'm older. I'll be the greatest friend.
Wala, talagang na-feel lang talaga ng heart ko na talagang siya na. Kasi simula pagkabata, yun nga, I've spent half of my life kasama siya. So, ayun, siya na talaga. Wala pong, kusa na lang po naming naramdaman. At ayun, I know in my heart na siya lang talaga.
Even na yung maganda siya eh. Mabait, at mahalaga, at mapatyaga sa lahat ng bagay.
Emmy! Sorry.
Feel the world turn into a brand new day. Watch the rising of the sun. The shadows start to run.
Pwede lang.
Standing at the start of something great. See the hope that lines the sky
dahil ngayong araw, natupad ko na yung pangarap ko sa buhay. Nagpapasalamat ako dahil yung suporta na natatanggap ko buong buo galing sa puso nyo. Thank you, Ma. Thank you pa.
Nak, natupad na yung pangarap mo. Sa tagal-tagal na mag-boyfriend kayo at mag-girlfriend.
Secret moment,
Yun, binago ko ng pagmamahal.
heat of the afternoon. Out of the
Buong puso, buong kaluluwa, at buong pag-iisip. Hindi na kayo dalawa, kundi
always forever near and far, closer together everywhere. I will be with
Sana laging mahaba ang pasensya kasi ang pag-aasawa, ganyan talagang buhay. Sana lagi kayong masaya.
together everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. You've got the most unbelievable blue eyes I've ever seen. You've got me almost melting away as we lay there under blue sky with pure white stars. Exotic sweetness, a magical time. Say, I love you, always forever, near and far, closer together everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. Say your love me forever, never stop, never, whatever, near and far and always and everywhere and everything. You love me forever, never stop, never, whatever, near and far and always and everywhere and everything. I love you, always forever, near